basically pipeline settlement here. It is basically for consumption. So basically pipeline settlement means I told you the consumption. Like it is related to some liquid items. Like if you are purchasing or if you are taking any kind of consumption for petrol, diesel, gas, water, which are coming through pipe, that is we call it as a pipeline vendors. Okay, normally this kind of settlements we will do it in the petroleum, oil industry, and you might have seen gas companies and all. We will find this. Okay, wherein the supply will be done through pipes. Okay, so here whenever we are doing pipeline activity, what are the things that you have to follow? First thing, there is an attribute pipe. There is an attribute pipe. This you have to link to your company or your plant. First step, you have to go to OMS2, link this pipe attribute to your two plants. Okay, then you have to create material master for diesel, petrol, whatever the thing you take, you can take, and material type you have to take it as pipe, PIPE, pipe you have to take. Then you have to create an info record for that material and vendor. For that material and vendor, you have to create a info record, and then you have to create the purchase order. In ME 21N, you have to create the purchase order. And then you have to do the MIGO. Then you have to show the consumption. You have to go to T code MB1A, goods issue, and there you have to take the movement type 201P for consumption. You have to take the movement type 201P. Now the movement type, when you are doing in consumption, you have to take 201P, because I have to show consumption here. No MIGO, no physical stock you are inverting. You are doing consumption of the liquid items, right? So you have to show consumption, and here you have to create a cost center because it is a consumption. So we have created a cost center admin in service purchase order, right? That you should link, and you have to link the cost element, the GL master for consumption. So that I will check it out, what is the GL number are there. Once you do this consumption, then you can do the automatic settlement of invoice in MRKO. Okay, in MRKO you can do the automatic settlement of invoices. So first what you have to do, you have to come to FS00. Okay, general ledger accounts, we have copied from global parameter. No, my company code is EXID, and here consumption here, consumption raw materials. This one I will link, consumption raw material. So this is the GL number. Now I have to convert this into cost element. So here only I will convert, just observe here. Click on this edit cost element, and your financial year is 1125, valid from 1125 to 3112. See here, create cost element. Cost element category, you have to take one primary cost, enter, and save the data. So now it is converted, whatever the GL number is there, it is converted into cost element. Cost center already created as admin. Now you have to come to OM_S2 T code. Position pipe, PIPE. So this is the attribute. Double click on this quantity value. Position. So EX00 quantity value at enable. Save. Come back. Now create one material master, MM01. So EX E1 diesel. So industry sector, and here pipeline material. Select views. The basic data on purchasing, purchase data is accounting one, only this much will come. So EX00 is my plant. So create the material master. Unit of measurement, it is liter, don't take each. Metal group EX3 others, and division EX is the division. Purchasing group E00. Copy the text, and here valuation class 3000 raw material. It will not come new valuation class. So price I will take 1000. Enter, save. Okay, now for this you have to create info record. Logistics, materials management, purchasing, master data, info record, M11 create. So vendor 358, this is the diesel purchase plant. Here pipeline you can take. Plant delivery 2 days. Standard quantity I will take 300 liter. 1000. Tax code. This is very important. I told yesterday, no, every day you have to check the taxes. OBBG India. So somebody has replaced Allah. So what is my tax code pa? EXGST. So you have to replace EXGST. EX. So M11. EX is the tax code. So info record is created. Now create one purchase order, ME21N. So I will take NB standard only. Liter. tax code you have to take EX. Okay, 3,27,000 and checkbox, save the PO. Okay, now here this is the PO number. So MIGO Migo ಯಾವುದದು forfeit and here checkbox post. So what is this error? Account determination for entry interest on BS6 EXID 3000 not possible. So why it is showing here? No, because we have done the account determination integration for new valuation class alla. Again I have switched to 3000 old valuation class. So the system is telling for your company code we can't able to determine the GL master. So again you have to go to that error. So you can click on this proceed button here itself. It will take you to OBYCT code. Cancel account determination. So where BS6, right? BS6 chart of account is INT1. So 3000 here, right? So just copy this line and enter your company code EXID. So now my company code is determined for 3000 valuation class and for GL master. Save. Post. Now it is done. Migo is done. Now come to MB1A goods issue. Here pipeline. So movement type ಯಾವುದು 201P. Consumption for cost center from pipeline. 201P, sorry. Consumption for pipeline cost center, okay. And RM. GL account 4 lakh. I told you, no, consumption. Cost center. What is my cost center? Admin. Vendor 358. Take the material. $300. Save. Again error. What is this error? So INT1 KON EXID pipe not possible. So it is telling in the pipe account determination my company code is not linked. So you have to find out what is that KON. Okay. Go to proceed. Account assignment and then KON here consignment payables KON. Double click. This is my chart of accounts. So select pipe here. Pipe. Copy. So link your company code aste. EXID pipe. Attach it to my GL number. So come back. Again one more error. Account determination INT1 GBB EXID VBR 3000 not possible. Again in GBB condition system is telling your company code not determined for valuation class 3000 old valuation class. Again go to proceed, cancel, GBB here. So where is VBR? VBR I want 3000. VBR 3000. Where I was, the error is GBB EXID VBR alla. So VBR 3000 you have to search here. VBR 3000. Copy this line. EXID. Enter your company code. Now it account is determined. Pasi. In INT1 GBB. EXID VBR 3000 not linked to GL Master. Now I linked it. EXID VBR 3000 linked to GL Master. I have done the account determination. So here save. Now it is posted. Consumption is done. Now we have to do the automatic settlement. Logistics invoice verification, automatic settlement, MRKO. Vendor 358, plant, and material you have to take because it is the pipeline Allah, so you have to take the material. Diesel. So pipeline settle. See, document is created. This is the document number. This is the document number. So this is about the logistics invoice verification in module. Now assume I have done the invoice posting. Now I want to check whether the invoices is paid or not. Even if it is a financing thing, but we can track what is the total outstanding for that vendor, what and all will be there, we can check it out. Okay. So to check the vendor ledger balance, we call it as to check the vendor ledger balance or payables. Okay. You can check it in the T code FBL1N. You can check it in the T code FBL1N. Okay, so you can enter directly. Basically it will come in the finance, accounting, financial accounting. Is purchase, it is a part of accounts payable. There we will do. So directly you can put the T code in command bar FBL1N. So this is here, the screen will come. You have to enter vendor account, your vendor number and company code, and select the all items here. Okay, then execute. See, these are the invoices I have posted. For ECART, my vendor, say 3,54,000, total 20 lakhs is outstanding. Nothing is paid. Total 20 lakhs is payable. Normally, how you check color? The invoices which are in the status, which are in red color, that means it is not paid. So I will just show one more company code. Okay. Okay, I will take one more company code. See here, this is for another company code. Vendor 13 lakhs is payable, outstanding is there, and if invoice is paid, it will be in green color. You can check it out like this. If the invoice is paid, it is in green color. That means cleared invoices. Or you can execute only open item. Open item means outstanding. So these are all the outstanding are there. Or if you go to cleared items, you can see the invoices which are paid. Like this, you can only run the reports. Okay, we can check it out. As a consultant, it is a part of the T code. We can have access. It is an integrated software. We can check it out whether it is paid or not. Okay, so like this, we are going to track the logistics invoice verification procedures. Okay, this is about the completely levy process. So the next one will be the framework order, quota arrangement and source list, automatic purchase order. So So all the 4 topic pa I have to do at a time. Okay. So this one I will do it by tomorrow pa. Okay. For example, he is my student. Anil, okay, is joined to Accenture. So the client has given on work to him. See, wait, what the client is telling here under some PO items where order unit and price order unit are different. Feel free to create similar ones in development server. So these are the PO number what they have created in production server. They are telling to do testing in development server. If it is correctly done, so they want to move to the production server through workflow. So this is the work they have got. So this and all we will discuss, because landscape initially I told you in the beginning, in development server what and all you are going to do, quality testing what all and you are going to do, and the production server everything will discuss. Okay, so this is about the project thing we will discuss in the next session. Okay, so tomorrow we will discuss on framework order, quota arrangement and source list, automatic purchase order. This session will go. Anything you want to discuss, let me know, any doubts you have. Okay, fine, tomorrow we'll meet.